Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. And if I got something special for you, it's 1970 Mustang Mach 1 428 Cobra Jet. Get down James Brown car. Just cool as they come. I mean, it's red, black interior with red striping. Come on, beautiful. There's so few of them around. You know, it's got the hood shaker, so this pops through the hood. They call it a shaker because it's moving outside there like that, it's shaking around. Just came in yesterday. We got it up on the lift. We're getting ready to do a few things to it. It's got a few little issues. You know, a couple of lights don't work. We want to put an automatic transmission back in the car. And it's going to be like a 5-speed automatic transmission too, which is really cool. So that his gear ratio in the back is going to drop considerably. So, you know, you're at 70 miles an hour and you're pulling about, 16 or 1800 RPMs. Just makes the car so much more drivable and reliable. This is not a go get groceries kind of car. It could be, but I'd rather it not be. This car up in the hill country doing those, the slalom things like this, just perfect. You know where to have it done, baby, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.